Good evening. Myself am Dr.M, innovator, DTCH. So in this video, we're going to see on design thinking aspects on LeetCode. So we have my crew. Here they are ready to explain on their experience about LeetCode programming in DT aspect. Before that, I just want them to introduce themselves.
Hello, myself Raghu from second year CSE of SNS College of Technology.
Hello everyone, I am Shivshagar from third year ECED from SNS College of Technology.
Hello everyone, myself Saravana Kumar, third year AAML, SNS College of Technology.
Stop. So in this session, we're going to see on design thinking with LeetCode. So before getting into the session, I just want to give you a glimpse of what is DT. DT is design thinking. It has 5 stages. First, we'll begin with Empathize, followed by define, then ideate, fourth is prototype, then fifth we have test and evolve. So we're going to see LeetCode programming in this all 5 DT aspects. I will give the session, will be handed over to Shivshagar on explaining first 2 stages, and rest will be explained by festival.
So here we are solving the end-to-end problem. Basically, what is end-to-end problem is we have a entrance and chessboard in that we want to place the queens. So the queens can't attack each other. The queens will attack only in rows, columns and diagonals. So we want to place the queens safely without any conflict. The queens want to place it within the given constraint. So consider ourselves as a creator or a chessboard player. So we want to place the queens. So if any queen is attacking any other queens, we want to backtrack and change the queen's position according to the constraints.
Okay, after defining the problem, we can move to the ideate phase. In the ideate phase, we can consider the many approaches. We can consider like backtracking method, branch and bound method, and one-dimensional array method. After the brainstorm section, we will decide to solve this problem in backtracking method, because in the backtracking method is less time complexity compared to the other methods.
As said already, I have solved this problem using backtracking method, and on the first step we have constructed a end-to-end chessboard, and then on the second step I have created row by row, and to check every rows and columns whether the queue is possible to place on that row, and then check if the placement is safe, and third step, if the placement is safe, the queue will be placed on that specific column, and then on the fourth step, place if possible put a queue there. If one of the column is safe, the one queue will be placed on one column, and using backtracking we will be checking again and again for next queue upcoming queues. So if not possible, we will backtrack again to the previous step, and we will change the position of the previous queue, and then we will start this process again. This loop continues until it finds a perfect match. Like backtrack is stuck. If the queue is not placed properly, it would stuck, and it would continue this process again and again. And then after solution form, the array would be returned as a matrix. In matrix, it would be written like if q is placed, it would be written as 1 in a row, and if not, 0 will be written. That's the ideate part of this problem. Thank you. So I would explain the application part of this problem. The major application of this in many of the computer played chess games, these algorithms are used. This is the classical example of classical AA, because using this algorithm, the A analyzes the opponent's move and then moves upon their move. Like so, it's called as classical AA. This algorithm can be used on many games and all those. And Shivshagar would.
So in the real world application, we can play chess game. Once we move the soldiers in the enemy's part, we can change it into any coins we can. So we can have many queens. So but the queens can't attack each queen. So we want to program that the queens can't attack each other. So for that this application is very helpful and useful, not only in the application but in the real world also when we play the chess games. This concept is useful.
I thank my students for explaining this application in respect of DP. So once again, I thank you. Thanks for